Welcome to the Blue Room. This is Sukanya, your overstimulated spiritual bestie, and today we are technically unboxing the Tarot of the Divine by Yoshitani. Except, plot twist, I've already peeked. I have more than peeked. I have shuffled, pulled, and wandered. This is not a first date. This is a soft launch of a situationship with my deck. So let's call this a reintroduction. So this deck is based on folklores, legends from all around the world. Every card has a story, and honestly, it feels like holding a mythical Netflix library, except prettier and less buffering. Can we please talk about the box? Like, she is sturdy, she is matte, and she's dressed better than I am on most days. And honestly, it's kind of giving like main character energy. So, here is probably an ASMR. Okay, so when we open the box, the first thing that we have is the guidebook. So, the guidebook is pretty compact and cute, and it has kind of like a myth behind every card, as you can see. So there's like in-depth description. So it basically means that when I pull a card, not only do I get a tarot tea, but I also get story. But can you blame me though? Like, look at the box. The box itself is so pretty. And the cards? Okay, look at it. Every card is like an art, okay? It's like a painting. It is so pretty. You cannot blame me for taking a. So let's get her out. This is so pretty, like so pretty. I have nothing to say other than the fact that this is so pretty. Now, here's where I confess. I told myself that I want to unbox this with you guys, but patience is not my spiritual gift. So, this is more like introducing your friends to someone you've been secretly dating for a month. Surprise! But can you blame me though? Can you really blame me? Look at this. Like, look at this. This is art, okay? Like, the cards, every card is like a painting. Like, the lovers, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. The tower, hauntingly gorgeous, but it is. The hermit, lonely but so gorgeous. If you are already obsessed like me, I'll link the deck down below. I grabbed mine from Amazon because convenience is my love language. Since I already cheated on you guys with this deck, I thought at least I'll show you the interview spread that I pulled when we first met. So I'll show you the cards, I'll tell you how it went. This is what it had to say. So the first card that I got when I asked about the personality of the deck, I got this, the Queen of Cups. Now, that necessarily is very nurturing, very grounding, kind of like a mother. Okay, so like very main character energy. When I asked about what kind of themes this card is comfortable reading, I got the High Priestess. Like she's deep and intuitive, so not like what should I eat for lunch kind of a deck. When I asked about the lessons that this card is going to bring me, I got strength. Now, she's like, you got this, but also stop being dramatic. So, patient and gentle resilience. When I asked about this card's limitations, I got the Knight of Coins. So she's fashionably late but still stunning. So definitely not for a yes or no questions. Now, when I asked what are the situations that I can best collaborate, so I got the Knight of Cups. So it's like approach with heart, like a partner in crime. So emotionally available people only. So when I asked what kind of readings does this deck do the best, I got the 10 of Cups. So definitely relationship and joy. So this deck kind of loves love. When I asked how can I maintain a clear communication with this card, I got 2 of Cups. So respect and use and love her is what she wants. So ghosting is not an option, she'll notice. And honestly, this is like a mood. So yeah, that's my introduction to the tarot of the divine deck by Yoshitani. She's beautiful, she's dramatic and mysterious. Basically, she's everything I aspire to be, but only achieve on a good hair day, which is clearly not today, as you can see. So if you work with this deck, tell me in the comments which card completely stole your heart. And if you're thinking about getting it, this is your sign or warning. Either way, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss my next video, which will be on autumn equinox. Until then, stay magical, stay chaotic, and may all your decks be this pretty.